come in, sir. Just do the table for you. No cutlery today, I'm afraid. So, yeah.
Have you got the aeroplane brochure?
Yes, 2 minutes, sir.
Thank you.
Just get this ready for you, mate. Lovely seasoned fries.
Yep. Thank you. Oh, you put it on the cup holder. Has this been sanitised? We have coronavirus.
Yes, as you can see, my hands are washed and sanitised, mate. It's got a fun. There you go, sir.
Oh, look at that.
Onion rings.
This is first class.
Absolutely lovely. And the best part for you, because customer care.
Oh, yes.
There you go, sir.
Finest menus. Thank you very much.
No worries.
Please enjoy the flight.
Tips will be appreciated. Tip box in front. What's this?
Oh, what is that, mate? Just put a hole through it. Look at this. This is fancy.
Woo! Ow, I'm a bit far away.
Yeah, you need to move the seat forward. Yeah, about that. You've got 2 cup holders and a cigarette lighter in the back. Look at that. This is a road trip wagon.
Fuck a Rolls Royce, mate. Get a fucking note. In today's flight, we will be serving. What did you say?
Room service.
Ding. Oh,
so today, on Mad Times, we bought another fucking car. Bought a Ryanair flight on wheels.
there's actually a lot more room in this, like foot room, than you would get on a plane.
Yeah. I'd rather drive this to Ibiza than get a flight there.
Look, mate, you've got a brochure holder, got a zip to make it bigger. Doesn't work.
Yeah,
Makes the thing bigger, mate.
Oh, we've got a free pen.
Oh, no way.
Half of it. Oh no, what is that? That's one of those things to clean your teeth out with.
I thought that was a needle, mate.
You thought it was a needle?
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh. Nice sunny day. On my drive.
Mm.
We're keeping the back seats in for as long as we have to, yeah? And these. They're staying for as long as we have to.
So then
when we order favourite chicken, then we can just chill out in the back, mate. Enjoy the sun, mate. We cut the roof open. Sorted.
We could cut the roof open.
Why
We'll have
not,
to see, innit? If it gets too hot in here, we'll cut the roof open.
Next time on the Mad Times. So, in the note, now the reason we picked this up for cheap was because it doesn't go into gear. There you go, it's in. Now watch this. Fucking hell. It's a rough motor. To be fair, it's not even that bad. The engine's sweet. We got no petrol whatsoever, Jesus Christ. It is the next morning. I woke up super fucking early at 7:30, which to be honest I'm normally up by about 8:30, but I'm having late nights recently. But yeah, I was woke up to literally all of this. All of that. Back in roadworks, mate. I am tired and I've got no motivation to work on this beast, this 1.6 beast, mate. Dent it once, boot it again, undent, mate. BMW. Unbreakable. Unbreakable. I have to see if the Subaru, which one I win. Smash them together and see which one I cave in first. I know you don't want to hear me talk, but if you're having a bad day, switch it up, go and do something else and just bloody forget about the shit stuff that's going on, mate. Oh, I'm just waiting on an E39 BMW, which we may be able to pick up for £500. £500 for a BMW E46, oh mate. I'll show you around that. but it's down in Gatwick and it has a gearbox problem, so getting it back will be a video in itself. Oh Jesus, I don't know what to do with myself. What do I do with myself? Don't think the drifting in this BMW done it any good the other day. What the hell does that on a car? Oh, it's either misfiring or running rich. We'll soon find out. First world problems, mate. What car do we take? This one, or that one? Or the Nissan Note, mate.
With the fucking gearbox that rumbles like fuck if we let off, so don't let off. The Subaru, don't know how good the engine is, but nor can we be bothered to move the shit out of it.
Yeah.
Or the BM which drinks fuel. And that's about it. Is there any other reasons not to take that thing?
No.
I mean, there's more reasons to take it in case we find a wet roundabout.
But the difference, you care about this one, whereas we don't care about these two. That's the only difference, really.
The only bit of concern is...
Ah, that's alright, mate.
Yeah,
little bit of play's alright, mate. Well, I mean, okay, let's think of it another way then. Let's think of it for the videos and for our personal selves. We know this doesn't fucking drift. That's 4-wheel drive. And if it rains,
then that's the one we're taking. Or we'll just borrow Mister's over there, mate, whoever's that is.
Yeah, that's his up there, mate.
That's it?
That's only a 1.8 as well, though, isn't it?
Right,
I mean,
so we're going drifting.
It does look like it could rain, mate. And to be fair,
the forecast, and we've got spare tyres in the back, and we're on minimal tread.
Well,
so we have reasons to fuck these tyres up.
So that sounds like we're finding a private racetrack on the way down and doing a bit of drifting there.
Yeah.
We're probably on the way.
Doing a bit of towing, I don't know.
It depends how good this gearbox is, mate, on this E39.
Because if you can see, what we need to solve our problem right now is more cars.
Yeah, literally.
Because there's still space on the road. You can't have that. You can't have that.
So what? Taking a drift wagon? Sweet. Jeez. I bet they're expensive wheels. They're massive wheels.
You hear that?
No, do it again. What a banger, mate. It's a proper banger.
We are blowing a transmission line.
So that could be a problem.